Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Naugar Binder, East. Our today's assignment number 3, direct and indirect speech. It will also say change the narration also. This topic is very important in our day-to-day communication, or it is in the English grammar also. The significance of this assignment in our syllabus, narration skill of converting or conveying the exact word of speaker without changing meaning with necessary changes in the term of time factors. In an engineering profession, has to convey the message from higher authority to the lower authority or vice versa. In this regard, change the voice or change the narration is most important activity or important part is there, which can apply the workplace also or in a day-to-day communication also. The correct usage of sentences in direct and indirect speech will develop the competency of communication in English in a spoken or written form. Means in your developing yourself, developing your language, direct and indirect speech is very important in writing as well as the oral form also. Some basic relevant program outcomes also there, that is basic knowledge, communication skills, relevant course outcome, that is formulate grammatically correct sentences, practical learning outcomes, make sentence using correct and direct and indirect speech, use computer system including the language lab software, develop listening, speaking, reading, writing skill, follow on relevant affective domain related outcome, follow the safety practice, self-learning attitude, minimum theoretical background, basic knowledge of sentences, that is obtains, basic knowledge obtains, connectors, pronouns is required for changing the sentence. Means for direct and indirect you need personal pronouns, conjunctions, prepositions, verb, etc. That is tense. The rule of narration should be taken into the account while making the change or changing the sentences. Procedure: open the language lab software, log in account, read instruction carefully, select the exercise of direct and indirect, then construct the sentence or transfer the sentence as per the direct and indirect, then give proper feedback. Students, while transferring sentence from direct to indirect or indirect to direct, we need first of all to know the reported verb and joining conjunction to joining reported verb and reported speech. If assertive sentence is there, we use said or said to instead of reported verb and using joining conjunction that for joining sentence. Then in interrogative sentence we use asked as a reported verb and joining conjunction either the same WH word or if or whether, if sentence is yes no type. Then imperative sentence we use requested, ordered, suggested, commanded, etc. Okay, or many more also there. Ask as a reported verb and joining using to or not to for joining sentences. If sentence is negative, we use not to. If sentence is exclamatory, we use exclaimed and join using the word that, or that conjunction used for joining sentences. Then there are also changes in verb. That is, means one step back we go. For example, simple present tense is there. Simple present transfer to simple past. Present continuous transfer to past continuous. Present perfect transfer to past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous transfer to past perfect continuous. Then simple past transfer to past perfect. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. Then past perfect, no change. Past perfect continuous, no change. If future tense is there, so will transfer into would, can transfer into could, shall transfer into should, may transfer into might, okay, etc. Must, need, there is there, so we transfer into had, to, etc. So these are the changes in verb also. Then he into him, she, her, it, they, them, I, me, we, us, you, etc. There are changes also in pronoun also, personal pronoun also. So let us see how to transfer sentence active, direct to indirect. Geeta said, comma into double into comma, I do yoga daily. In this sentence, Geeta is a subject, said is a reported verb, and I do yoga daily, it is reported speech. So we know that while transferring sentence direct to indirect, we remove the comma into double into comma and joining reported verb and reported sentence by using conjunction. But we use that conjunction because sentence is assertive. I is a subject, but while transferring sentence into indirect speech, that time I transfer to she, do is a V1, do V1 transfer to V2, that did, okay, yoga daily. I did yoga daily. Number 2, she said to me, what do you want now? She said to me, what do you want now? She asked me what I wanted then. She asked me what I wanted then. She asked me what I wanted then. I said to him, are you going to the party? I asked him if he was going for party. Sentence is interrogative, that's why we use asked instead of said or said to. Then it is yes no types of sentence because sentence begins with the helping verb are, so we use if or whether. You going means he was. Are going is a present continuous tense, present continuous transfer into past continuous. He was going to party. Party, full stop. One thing is there, while transferring indirect speech, sentence, interrogative sentence transfer into assertive types. But on the other hand, in change the wise, in active to passive, passive to active, sentence remain in the same sentence. That is, interrogative sentence is there, so it is remain in same interrogative types of sentence. But in indirect speech, interrogative sentence is there, it transfer into assertive types of sentence. The monitor said, comma into double comma, sir, some students were making noise yesterday. The monitor said, assertive sentence, that's why we told. The monitor told sir that some students were making present past continuous tenses, that is past perfect continuous, had been making the noise the previous day or the day before, full stop. The servant says, the master is not at home. The servant says that the master is not at home because the reported verb, simple present tense is used. That's why we do not change the tense in reported speech, only using that conjunction and joining the sentence. The master says that the master is not at home. Anju said, I wrote a letter. Anju said that she had written a letter. The Prime Minister said, comma into double comma, India became independent in 1947. The Prime Minister said that because assertive types of sentence, so we use that conjunction. The Prime Minister said that, said, we do not use told because there is no object, that's why we said as it is. The Prime Minister said that India became a simple past, so had became independent in 1947. He said to the policeman, please save me. He begged or he requested to the policeman to save him. The old man advised. The old man said to her, obey your elders. Okay, obey your elders, that is means imperative types of sentence. Imperative sentence is there, so it begins with the same imperative verb. So old man advised. Instead of said or said to, we put old man advised or suggested, etc. to her to obey her elders. The girl said, comma into double comma, hooray, exclamation remarks, I own a gold medal, full stop, exclamation mark, double inverted comma, complete. It is exclamatory type of sentence, that's why instead of said or said to, we use exclaim, the girl exclaim. Okay, here is the confusion, hooray, okay, is given the exclamation mark there, mean this time exclaim with joy. If sorrow is there, so girl exclaim with sorrow. Okay, the girl exclaim with joy, exclamatory sentence is there, so that she had won a gold medal. The girl exclaimed that she had won a gold medal. Eleven. Raju said, Gautam must go tomorrow. Raju said, Gautam must go tomorrow. Must go is a verb. Okay, must go is a verb in the sentence. Okay, future tense is there. Raju said that Gautam must go next day. Raju said that Gautam must go next day. Gautam had to go next day. He said, comma into double comma, I has passed the physical test. He said that he had passed the physical test. Number 13. Don't play on the grass, boy. Don't play on the grass, comma, boy, he said. He said, okay, is a reported verb. Said, instead of said, because it is an imperative sentence, that's why we use she ordered the boys. Those sentences begins with don't means not to, we use not to. She ordered the boy not to play on the grass. Then 14. You should advise your lesson. He said to me. He said to me. Okay. Instead of said to me, we put told. He told me that I should advise my lesson. I should revise my lesson, not advise. I should revise my lesson. He told me that I should revise my lesson. Number 15. I shall appreciate it. Assertive sentence. He said that he should appreciate that. He should appreciate that. Number 16. Ima said people in Africa are starving. Ima said that people in Africa was starving. Are starving, present continuous, in transmitted to past continuous. The assertive sentence is there, so that conjunction we use there. I bought you this book, comma, into double inverted comma, complete. She said him. She told him that. She told him that, because assertive sentence is there, so we can use joining conjunction that. She bought. She had bought. Bought, CV2 is there, means simple past transferred to past perfect. She had bought him that book. This book, that book. Number 18. Param said to me, he moved a year ago. Param told me that he had moved a year before. Moved, V2 transferred to V3, had moved a year before. He said to me, I have done it today. He told me that he had done it that day. She said to him, I don't believe you. She said to him, I don't believe you. She said to him, I don't believe you. She told him that she didn't believe on him. She told him that she didn't believe on him. So, student, these are the direct and indirect speech. Okay, it is very important in your conversation or communication, because if you know the narration, how to change the narration, it is very important to use to transferring the message, or in a discussion or in a meeting by one person to another, or in a fluent communication. So, it is the assignment on direct indirect. It is over. So, I hope you all of us understood the student very well. Thank you very much.